Hello, today we're gonna make a Christmas ornament. We need one red stem, 2 green stem, and 2 yellow stem. And we need a pencil. We will take 1 yellow stem and 1 green stem, and the others and the other green and yellow, that will be the same step, and the red one we will need. Now we will take these 2 stems and we will turn around. And now we will take the pencil and we'll turn it around. We will take it out, and this part we will cut it. Now we will do the same thing with these 2. Now we will take the red stem and we will put it in this hole. And we will do the same thing with the other. Now we will turn. We will put like a cross and we will turn. And now we will take the ending of the stem and we will bring it to the middle. And we will fold a little bit in the corner. And we will do the same step. And here we go. We made a Christmas ornament. You can put this ornament to a tree. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.